Welcome back into another American Rod Shop video. This is your video magazine for great classic cars for sale. And in tonight's video, I found you 10 of those antique, restored, turnkey, ready to drive classic cars that I know you guys will definitely want to own. Priced in from the mid to higher range, but they all are great cars. And we're going to find out who won the rare Matchbox 1957 Ford, lovingly dubbed the Thunder Road car. Plus, we're going to give away another item as well in tonight's video. And remember, if you're interested in buying any of the cars featured in tonight's video, then all you have to do is go over to the video's description, find the link for that car, then click on that link, and it'll take you to the ad where that car is at for sale. And if you want to check out other great cars for sale, be sure to check out our other posted videos. There's still a lot of good cars for sale in those videos, even from the last month or two. If you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, and share. And turn on that notification bell so that when the next video drops, you'll get notified and you can go in there and be some of the very first ones to check out these cars that are for sale and the links over to where they're located. Let's get into these beautiful cars with number 1. 1941 Ford Coupe, listed in Hayesville, North Carolina for $23,000. An absolutely beautiful, super clean 1941 Ford Coupe that looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor. No expense was spared to bring this nice car back to its full original glory. Must see to appreciate. Only driven 33,000 miles on the restored original engine and manual transmission. This car runs and drives great, and you can have confidence in driving it anywhere you go. The beautiful deep red gloss paint sets this car off perfectly, combined with the light gray original styled interior, and makes it a favorite at any show or cruise in. A low $23,000 or best offer asking price, and you could not restore a 1941 Ford Coupe for that amount, which makes this one a great bargain. And guys, this car is just absolutely beautiful. Love that deep gloss paint. I think this one will be a great one to own. Which one of these 10 cars would you like to own in tonight's video? Drop your answer in the comments. Tonight's commentary question is this: what is the one piece of advice you can give someone before they start restoring their old car? Drop your answer in the comments for fun. We'll see what everybody's got to say. Number 2, this is an oldie but a goodie. 1909 Ford Model T Roadster, listed in Nashville, Illinois for $15,990. This 1909 Ford Model T Roadster is not a replica car, but an original one. This is for sale by a local dealership, and the best offer will own this car. The car is not all original, but does feature a later Model T running gear and engine. The original style paint needs some minor attention in some areas, and the upholstery is in good condition. This is an older build, but a very solid car with a great look. If you want to own an exquisite piece of history, then this 1909 Ford Model T would be your ideal car. $15,990 or best offer. Number 3, 1939 Plymouth Coupe, listed in Loganville, Georgia for $19,750. This rare, beautiful 1939 Plymouth Coupe has been totally restored from the ground up back to its original condition. With only 62,182 original miles on the engine, the original flathead 6-cylinder with 3 on the tree still delivers exceptional power, and this car runs and drives great. And all of the original 6-volt system is still intact. The last detail of the restoration was to have an all-new interior installed, and it looks fantastic. $19,750 or best offer. And guys, this is one of my favorite Plymouth body styles, so I'm going to give it my Editor's Choice Award. Number 4, 1930 Model A Ford Coupe, listed in Mount Vernon, Illinois for $15,000. This 1930 Ford Model A Coupe has undergone a recent restoration just a few years back and has been driven less than 10,000 miles since then. This classic car features a sporty rumble seat, sports classic red wheels, a vintage look brown and black paint combination on the exterior, and an original styled tan interior. The seller states that the car runs and drives exceptionally well with no issues during the 2 years of his ownership. Although it's an older restoration, some minor paint chipping is noted, but the car still presents itself very nicely. The seller states that his Ford Model A can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour without any problems and has been offered for sale at $15,000 or best offer. The vehicle was restored back to the original state as possible. Number 5. 1935 Dodge Coupe, listed in Shepherdsville, Kentucky for $26,500. This rare 1935 Dodge Coupe is a classic beauty with a remarkable history. Having undergone a complete restoration, it has been driven only 60,000 miles since restoration. This vintage gem is an epitome of all driving excellence, having spent most of its life sheltered in a garage and cared for by non-smoking owners. The interior is in very nice condition, showcasing the dedication to its preservation. The paint is such a deep gloss black that it reflects everything like a mirror. In today's market, finding a 1935 Dodge Coupe in such pristine condition is becoming increasingly rare. This car is a collector's dream, and the owner is asking for $26,000 or best offer. Don't miss the opportunity to own this exceptional piece of automotive history. And if you haven't done so yet, I want to encourage you to go over and check out the American Rod Shop store. The link is over in this video's description, and there you can find t-shirts, you can find hoodies, mouse pads, coffee cups, posters, and all the sales from these items go back into this channel to help bring you better and better content. All right, let's find out who won this 1957 Ford Matchbox car that we gave away in the last video. We're going to go over to the YouTube comment picker channel and put in the URL for this video. Then we're going to click on pick a winner, and it'll tell us who won. D in Texas. Congratulations to D in Texas. You've won this 57 Ford Matchbox car. Contact me within 3 days, please, at AmericanRodShop@yahoo.com, and I'll get you details on how to receive your prize. Now let's go and give away another item in this week's video, and we'll announce the winner in the next video. Tonight's item is an original 1955 Buick ad taken from a Life magazine. Very frameable. A lot of people are framing these, putting them up in their man cave or their she shed. But if you want to win this, type the word ad in comments, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win this beautiful Buick ad. Don't put it in the chat section of the premiere, because at the end of the premiere, the chat section goes away and your entry will be lost. Be sure to put it in the comments section only, the word ad. Number 6 is a rare one. 1937 Packard 3-window business coupe, listed in Maysville, Georgia for $35,000. This 1937 Packard 3-window business coupe being offered is a unique and beautiful classic car. With only 4,290 of these 3-window business coupes being made, it is indeed a rare find. The combination of a classic silver exterior and brown interior is quite appealing to the onlooker. This car runs and drives great and will take you anywhere with no issues. The fact that it's been driven over 3,000 miles since restoration is a good sign of its drivability. $35,000 or best offer, and this rare car can definitely be yours that will turn the heads of every vintage car enthusiast. Beautiful car up next with number 7. This is a 1940 Packard Coupe, listed in Atlanta, Georgia for $26,500. This is a restored 1940 Packard Coupe that is in excellent condition and is a classic automobile that holds a significant place in automotive history. Known for its elegant design and luxurious features, this car exemplifies the craftsmanship and attention to detail of its era. With its sleek lines, deep gloss red paint, white walls, chrome accents, and spacious interior, this 1940 Packard Coupe exudes a timeless charm that continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike. Equipped with a powerful original 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed transmission, this was an advanced technology for its time. This car runs and drives great and offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience. This 1940 Packard remains an iconic symbol of automotive excellence and a testament to the ingenuity of the era. $26,500 or best offer for this 1940 Packard Coupe. Number 8. 1930 Ford Model A two-door sedan listed in Anderson, South Carolina for $15,500. Up for sale is this beautifully restored 1930 Ford Model A two-door sedan in original style dark green paint with classic eye-catching yellow wheels. This car has been restored back to its original condition. This automobile is a true gem that combines vintage charm with impeccable craftsmanship. Step inside and be amazed by the beautiful original styled interior, showcasing the attention to detail and the authenticity of the era. Every aspect of this car has been meticulously restored, ensuring that everything is in great condition. From the exterior to the interior, this 1930 Ford Model A is a showstopper. But it's not just about looks. This car runs and drives great, providing a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. Own a piece of history that will draw a crowd to you and check it out everywhere you go. $15,500 or best offer for this 1930 Ford Model A. Number 9. 1947 Ford Coupe Super Deluxe listed in Madison, Georgia for $16,900. Now this 1947 Ford Business Coupe is waiting to grace your collection. With its original mileage standing at a mere 47,336 miles, this classic car has stood the test of time. The exterior boasts a vintage-style black paint job, while the vibrant red interior adds a touch of elegance. Under the hood, the original flathead V8 engine with a manual transmission delivers that authentic vintage power and performance. This Ford has received brand new tires and new brakes, ensuring a safe and smooth ride. It underwent a restoration just a few short years ago. The paint is in very good condition, though a gentle buffing will make it shine even brighter. The glass is in good condition and everything electrical works flawlessly. The seller is the third owner and it comes with a clean title. This gem is now available for $16,900, or the seller is open to considering your best offer. And guys, I have to give this one my best deal seal. Okay, everybody, we've made it to the last one, number 10, and this one is a beauty. 1939 Plymouth Convertible, listed in Montebello, California for $55,000. Now it says this rare 1939 Plymouth Convertible available for just $55,000 or your best offer. There were only 5,976 convertibles produced by Plymouth in 1939. The last year that the rumble seat was offered, and the first year for the power top. This car is in excellent running condition. Every component has been meticulously maintained and restored to ensure it glides down the street with ease. While this beauty boasts an older restoration, it has preserved its elegance and charm in incredible condition. The car's paint and body are solid. You won't find any rust or blemishes here, just classic beauty. The convertible top is in fantastic shape, folds down nicely, allowing you to enjoy the wind in your hair on sunny days. Step inside and you'll be greeted by an interior that is in great condition. The seats are comfortable, the dashboard is a work of art, and the overall ambience is timeless. All the glass is in excellent condition, along with everything electrical. Don't miss your chance to own this 1939 Plymouth Convertible, $55,000 or best offer. Okay, guys and gals, those were some absolutely beautiful cars. I hope you enjoyed those as much as I enjoyed bringing them to you. Thank you each and every one for being a viewer and watching tonight's video. Don't forget, if you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps the algorithm and helps this little channel to grow. I want to thank each and every one of you again for joining. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope each and every one of you have a happy weekend.